Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shivakant Pathak here available with you to see one important topic, that is radius of gyration. This is radius of a gyration. See the concept and its statement. Here radius of gyration is perpendicular distance between axis of rotation and center of mass of a rigid body. See, for the concept of radius of a gyration, what is? It is a perpendicular distance between two quantities, one axis of rotation through which rigid body rotate, and second, center of mass of rigid body. So this is the shortest distance between center of mass or center of gravity, we may say, center of gravity, CG of a body. To see the mathematical concept of radius of a gyration, first of all, see the diagram for system of n particles. Here in system of n particles, this is the rigid body which rotates about the given axis of a rotation. Let here this particle is made up of n particles having masses m1, distance shortest r1, particle m2, distance r2, particle m3, distance r3, and so on. Let this is a system of n particles, which is, so moment of inertia, that is total moment of inertia I of n system of particles is equal to sum of moment of inertia all particles, that is I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 and so on up to nth particle. Or this is I1 is equal to M1 R1 square plus M2 R2 square plus, see, this is I3 M3 R3 square and so on so forth, Mn Rn square. This is the total moment of inertia of a body, and it is given by, so individual moment of inertia and added, this is the total moment of inertia. R moment of inertia I can be written as, here in whole business Em is common, right? Here is considered if a condition, if all particles have equal mass, is equal to m, then moment of inertia I is equal to m r1 square plus m r2 square plus m r3 square plus and so on m Rn square. Here in whole business m is a common, r1 square plus r2 square plus r3 square and so on up to Rn square. See in the diagram. Now this is a moment of inertia when we are taking all the particles have equal mass, they are homogeneous. In that condition, this is the condition here given, all the particles have a equal mass, m1 m2 m1 m2 m3 all are equal and equal to m. Right, now we are going to make one change in it. I is equal to m n r1 square plus r2 square plus r3 square and so on plus Rn square by n. We are multiplying by n and divide by n, where n is number of particles. See the factor here mn. There are n particle and each particle has m mass. So total mass rigid body, if we take capital M, is equal to, it is m into n. See, it is total mass of rigid body. In that condition, I can be written as capital M r1 square plus r2 square plus r3 square and so on so forth plus Rn square by n. See this box. This is the total moment of inertia. Let it is represented by equation number 1. Now moment of inertia I, moment of inertia I is also written mk square, capital M k square. It is represented by equation 2, where k is called radius of gyration. So equating both equation, comparing equation 1 and 2, we may write mk square is equal to m by n r1 square plus r2 square plus r3 square plus Rn square. See, m is cancelled by k, where k is known as under root r1 square plus r2 square plus r3 square and so on plus Rn square by n, and it is called root mean square distance. Root mean square distance. Root mean square distance is equal to radius of gyration of a particle, and it is represented by equation number 3. Unit of radius of gyration k is given meter. Dimensional formula of k is equal to L. So its dimensional formula it is dimensional formula k is L. See, in the beginning I told to you radius of gyration is shortest distance between center of gravity and this, and by mathematical definition, radius of gyration of body about given axis of rotation is equal to root mean square distance between axis of rotation sun and center of gravity of particles. We are knowing center of gravity is a point where whole mass is supposed to be act. Is point where whole mass is supposed to be act. See very carefully. So this is for radius of gyration. Thank you and have a nice day to all.